mga punch mo ngayon,
Ay,
T.
Sorry, maaga pa.
Or hindi lang nila nare-receive.
Kailangan.
Medyo malayo kasi yung reception.
Yes, ang venue.
Yeah.
Static.
Guys!
Tay, chop it, chop it,
Choppy.
Deng, nangyun ta, deng. Hello, ano tayo eh?
Guys, ano pa ba? The floor fan natin. Again, this one guys, super tibay na rin po niya.
Kalma, bakaw. Guys, yung mga viewers
Ate.
natin dito
Ate, maligo mo.
Yes!
Yes!
Yan. Ilalambing natin yan.
Ilalambing natin ang tolo.
Yes!
At guys, yung mga viewers natin, once again tayo ng live, ay yung 600, yung magiging 2,000 na natin yan. Ano yan?
Palambing daw yung TV. Yung TV na.
Pero buo iuuwi. Hindi pwede iuwi.
Buo mo daw yung uwi yan. Ngayon, problemahin mo kung paano yung pasok sa Grab yan.
Nag-request, diba?
Sabi niya po, te.
Seryoso.
Kasi mag-start na rin ako live mo.
Basta nakasaksak ka.
Oh,
Pwede rin ito din.
set na ba?
Ito din. Pero ganito nga lang din.
Bawal ito kaya. Pwede naman, pero bawal ito
Ito,
kaya.
pe.
May truck na may lalamog naman na L3.
Feel ko dito pala sa pinto, hindi mo na malalabas eh.
Oo, ano? Laki na din. Laki pa naman yan.
Guys, ayan! Another check out! 3 agad!
Thank you so much, guys! Meron pa ba? For our fun, guys. Uy, sobrang aesthetic pa nito, ah. Okay. So, guys, wala na ba sa mga nag-maintain ng aesthetic na bahay dyan? Guys, sobrang ganda niyan kasi full white na siya.
Yes!
Grabe yung ano
Yung energy, ah.
Guys, ano siya, parang hindi siya masakit sa mata. Tingnan. Kasi very, ano siya eh, very clean look.
Yes.
Ganun, very maaliwalas.
Yes, that's the best.
It's next to godliness. Di ba guys, sobrang maaliwalas ng bahay nyo. Umalis na rin kayo sa bahay nyo para 100% maaliwalas.
Para mas lalo
Kasi feel ko, ikaw lang yung nagdadalang ano doon sa bahay nyo.
Ano nagkakalat doon? Sa
Tama.
dito. Guys, wala na.
Wala na?
Yan, tanggalin na natin yung si Van and Fat.
9, 8, 7, 6.
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Next natin to.
Si cute natin steamer, guys. So, sa lahat ng viewers natin, problema, guys, ang pagpaplansya. Kunyari, nasa dorm, naka-apartment, naka-condo, ayaw na magdala, guys, ng full blown na plansyahan na may kabayo. Guys, pwede kayo for our steamer. Ito, guys, galing tong higher.
Yes.
Brand
Haya, haya, haya. Bilisan nyo na.
nga!
O, diba?
Higher!
Ang taas nga niya.
Ayan, ipipin na natin yan. And 3, 2, and 1. Ayan, guys, yan.
Ito pala. Yan!
Wow!
Wala pa sa lahat.
Guys, imagine for almost 4,000 pesos, guys. Right now, 900 pesos na lang.
Yeah.
Right now.
Tingnan mo muna dito.
You got?
Eat lang ako, guys.
Maganda sa'yo.
Yes. Ano daw maganda sa'yo yung naka?
Guys, bumili kayo.
Ayan. So guys, this one is our higher guys na steamer. Di ba guys, we live in a modernized world.
Wow!
Modernization is it's not subjective.
Yes.
It's not selective.
Yeah.
But it's generalized.
Generalized.
Yes. So guys, it's not about being a clout chaser.
Yes.
It's not about being showing
Showing
up.
off.
But it's about being comfortable.
Yes.
It's about the safety.
Yes.
And it's all about the due process.
Yes.
So instead of you still using the traditional iron. Because when you use the traditional iron, you're about to use the horse.
Also, the
Yes.
Yes.
Then you're about to use the clothes or the blanket
Yeah.
or the bed.
Which is
That's very time consuming, right?
Yes, space.
And space consuming also. So why not this product will save your time,
And
your space, and your availability and your energy.
Yeah.
So this one, guys, this is the higher steamer.
Yes.
So I will about to demo the step-by-step
Step by
procedure.
Yeah.
First, do not plug in.
it.
Do not plug in yet without the water.
Yeah.
Because if you plug in yet, then you put it like that. So it's a no.
It's
So
no.
first, you put it, you prepare the things.
Listen.
You put the water here. There's an open hole here. You try to open it. Put the water inside and close. Yeah, it should be closed.
Yes,
Then-
probably.
As you can see, you can just this one. Put.
Yes.
Perfect. Plug in. Turn it on. And yes. Yes. And sa lahat ng kusot, tanggal. Ayan. So what are you waiting? Check this one, guys. This higher steamer. And also, guys, this is if you want to travel.
Yes.
This is also, as I can see,